Okay, the electric tiller. The electric tiller review. This has seeds in it, and this is what I'm currently tilling. So here it is. It is the Greenworks 8-amp cultivator. 8 amps cultivator, yeah! And there's the model. It's got an extension cord plugged into it, and it works. It's for small scale, it's pretty good. That area is done. That area just done, and then this is a new area that I've been cut the grass as short as it can go, and then I use the tiller. That's the second pass, raking up the grass and dirt and getting it off there, and probably take about 3 or 4 passes with the tiller. And to start it, it's pretty easy. Plug it in. Make sure everything's clean in there, and there's no obstructions anywhere. You're holding this button right here, and then I'll try to do this with one hand. Pull this back, and then it goes. And then let go to shut off. It works pretty good. I mean, you get what you pay for. It's not heavy duty, but it gets the job done. So, got 1, 2, 3, 4 blades, and the motor, an adjustment right here to adjust the top of it up and down, and that's how you start it. There's a push button, and this is for the little outlet, and then that's the goes to the motor. So it's pretty much it. There's you sharpen the blades every now and then, and other than that, little looks like a bike cable, but yep. So that's the Greenworks 8-amp cultivator, and it works pretty good so far. I ran it. It probably has like 1 hour run time. So, and there's still some grass left over, but it's the original garden, and then here's the new part. Next part.
Greenworks cultivator, yeah, the cultivator. Greenworks cultivator, yeah.